Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So today I'm meeting you after I think more than 2 weeks now. The last video that you saw on my channel was filmed in the beginning of February, and I did not film anything the entire Feb mid and then till now. It's already 9th March today I'm filming this video, and the main reason was that I was not keeping well. I have certain digestive issues issues related to my digestion, and that's the reason why I have lost weight. I'm not feeling good, I'm not keeping well, but thankfully we have done all the tests and everything else, and everything has come out nice. They couldn't find anything, which means that I have to work on my health now. I have to work on eating right, eating on time. Yeah, so a lot of things were going on when I was not right physically. I just couldn't focus on producing content, and I did not want to do a video just because I have to post content regularly. I just wanted to be ready mentally as well for putting out new content. So yeah, I was feeling a bit better today, and I thought, let's film a video and let's talk about the skincare products I have been using of late, and how I'm using them, why I'm using them, and how they have been faring on my skin. So right now I have no makeup on. I just have my brows and a little bit of lipstick. So my skin has been behaving very nicely, and I don't have any issues related to breakouts and all, and I have been following a very minimal skincare routine. There is not much that I'm doing. So that was a little about my life, what's happening, why I'm not that regular. But I'm most probably from next week onwards you'll start seeing content regularly on this channel. If not 4 times a week, at least twice a week you will find my videos here. And I have so much content pending. I had planned so much then, but you cannot really plan your future. So yeah, I will start rolling out new content gradually, slowly. So yeah, so today I'm going to talk about a skincare brand that you might have already seen on Instagram, and a lot of people were talking about this brand. So I got few products from them in November, and here is the brand I'm talking about. I'm talking about Kures. So Kures is a vegan Indian skincare brand owned by a woman, and they are also cruelty free. So they have a very small collection at the moment, and all the products are very efficient and performance driven. So I have been using their products since November last year. They sent out a few products to me in November, and I have been using them ever since. You can see the sunscreen, I'm almost out of it. I just have a very little bit left, and so is the case with a lot of products here that I'm going to talk about. So I thought I'll talk about these products because since we all are loving products that are made in India, made by Indian women, and products are vegan, products are cruelty free, and a lot of other stuff. So I thought, this is the right time to talk about the products. Another Indian brand, the products are exceptionally good. So let's start with moisturizer that I have been using for past 3 months now. This is their hydrating moisturizer with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Now the first thing first, this is a fragrance free moisturizer. So if in case you have issues with fragrant skincare products or products that have essential oils or artificial fragrances, this is going to work really well because this doesn't have any kind of fragrance at all. And I also really like the very lightweight consistency of this moisturizer. I do not have any moisturizer on, and I thought I will do it on camera with you all. So this is the consistency. This is very lightweight, and it is very hydrating, and it doesn't make your skin greasy or anything. The best part is this has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So I have been using hyaluronic acid based products for, I don't even remember, I think 2 years, more than 2 years now. And this moisturizer is really good. Sometimes what I like to do, I like to spray a little bit of rose water on the top of it and then just massage it, or I apply it on slightly damp skin so that the hyaluronic acid can absorb and hold the moisture. This doesn't feel like anything. This just keeps my skin so much hydrated, supple and nourished throughout the day. As you can see, it hasn't left any kind of greasy or oily residue because it is perfect for all skin types. I have been using it for off and on for almost 2 months now, and it hasn't broken me out at all. It hasn't caused any acne. These products are based on science plus nature. So you are going to get a perfect blend of both. So it's not like they are using very heavy duty thick butters or very heavy duty oils in there. Everything is very well balanced, so you get the moisture that your skin needs without clogging your pores or without congesting your skin. Then it has niacinamide. So once you use niacinamide, I hope most of you know about niacinamide because it's like the most happening in skincare ingredient right now. Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So niacinamide works really well for building your skin's barrier, plus it also brightens up your skin, and in most of the cases it works really well. Even if you have very sensitive skin, it works really well. Then hyaluronic acid is going to hold moisture into your skin. It will keep it very nicely hydrated and supple. The best part about this moisturizer is that if I apply it in the morning, it just keeps my skin hydrated almost the entire day. My skin is very dry, and when I started using it, it was almost winters. Like I started using it during December. You do not need too much. You just need half a pea size amount, and it works really well. Now we have already talked about moisturizer. This is one of my favorite products from the brand. I'm going to talk about all the products, but I'm also going to point out my favorite products from the brand. This is my favorite product from the brand. This you can apply AM PM. The only suggestion that I would like to pass on to the brand is if they can make it into a pump bottle form, it will be amazing. Otherwise, this is a winner here. Next product is again, this is the product I am almost through. I have just this much left here. I'll show you close up. I'm not sure if you can tell because the bottle is tinted up, plus it has this label on. But I'm almost to the bottom of this oil. So this is Kjaer's Zoro oil. So this is a mix of jojoba and rosehip oil. Now this is a 30 ml bottle, and you can use it both on your skin as well as on your hair. And I have done that. I have been doing it, and as you can see, I have touched the bottom. I have only this much left, and I have been using this for almost 2.5-3 months now. I love using it during the day and night both. Since we are staying indoors, we are not going outside. Also, jojoba oil is very light on the skin. It doesn't make my skin greasy or sticky or sweaty at all. I also like to use it on my hair. My hair is very dry. My hair type is very dry. So whenever my hair is feeling really dry, especially on the second day of wash, my hair feel and look quite dry. I take around half a pump, which is more than enough, and apply it on my lens, and it makes my hair so nice. So this oil is antibacterial, anti-aging, antimicrobial and antifungal, which means it's going to work for everyone. Rosehip oil, as you must have heard about, it is a very good anti-aging oil, and it also works on evening out your skin tone when used regularly. Now if you apply it on your face, it's going to moisturize your skin. It's also going to work as a really nice anti-aging facial oil, and when you apply on your hair, it's going to work on your scalp. If you apply it on your scalp, it is going to moisturize your scalp really nicely. If you apply it on your lens, it's going to make your lens nice and soft. It's also going to work really well if you suffer with hair breakage due to dryness. So this oil is a really good one, and this bottle is going to last you a really long time. This bottle lasts you good 3 months or more, and the products are not priced too high. That's something I really like about this brand. Now these are my I'm going to talk about the products in order of my love for them. So I really like the hydrating moisturizer, then the Zoro oil, and the third product is definitely their mattifying sunscreen. So this is SPF 50 UVA UVB PA+++ matcha green tea and aloe vera mattifying sunscreen. So now, despite of having dry skin, I like mattifying sunscreens only because my skin gets really sweaty during summers, and when it sweats, it just becomes so shiny. So I look for something that is mattifying, and this sunscreen is like magic. There is no white cast. It doesn't leave any white cast on your face. It just blends into the skin, it mattifies, and it also stays on for a really long time. This is paraben free, phthalate free and artificial fragrance free formula. Also, it doesn't feel heavy, doesn't make you sweat. The formula is really nice. I'll just show you a swatch, and I had a little bit of applied and blended. As you can see, it's nicely blended and gone into my skin. You can hardly see any trace, and it is matte. Compare it with my other hand and you can see. I will highly recommend you guys. This is one of their best selling product, and I have seen so many influencers rave about this one sunscreen, and when it reached me, I was so happy. I used it when I was staying at my mom's place because we used to go on the roof, we used to sit in the sun. So that time I used it, and this is really wonderful product. This sunscreen is also oxybenzone and OMC free. Highly recommended. Now these three products were my favorite products out of all the products I've tried from the brand, but that doesn't make the rest of the products a bad or a fail, because I love them. But these are the 3 products I love so much. Then the 4th product is definitely going to be this hair oil. This is hemp seed kalonji and babchi hair treatment oil. So this is a great hair oil if in case you are facing hair fall or dandruff. I have none, so I couldn't really judge this on those areas whether this oil is really effective in controlling dandruff or hair fall. But yes, this definitely has controlled frizz. It also claims to prevent premature graying of your hair, plus it also works as really good anti frizz formulation. And I really like how it makes my hair really soft. Even after wash, my hair feels and look really soft and very manageable. Despite of it being a herbal Ayurvedic formulation, this doesn't feel too heavy on the hair. It washes off really nicely. So now kalonji oil is very famous for moisturizing your hair, and so is hemp seed oil. These 2 ingredients are amazing if you have dry hair, brittle hair, and you suffer with hair breakage due to dryness. So this oil is really good if you have extremely dry hair like mine, and you really need something that can keep them under control and frizz free. So I have not used it extensively, but I have been using it for the past 2 weeks now, and I oil massage my hair at least once in every 6 days. And I do not do more than that, because I wash my hair every 5 days. So every 5 days, every 6 days, because I try to keep the hair wash as minimum as possible, just so that my hair doesn't feel dry or frizzy. So this works really well, and I really like the formulation, and the main ingredients are really good for your hair. Then we have the bakuchiol oil. Now bakuchiol, I'm sure a few of you already know, it's an alternative, it's a plant alternative to your traditional retinol. The characteristics or the benefits are almost similar. This is a really good vegan alternative to your traditional retinol. This is going to work really well on your fine lines, wrinkles. This is in oil form, so this is going to hydrate and moisturize your skin, and it will also minimize the fine lines and appearance of wrinkles. So I use it during night. The 10 ml bottle works really well, and it also lasts you a really long time. I use around 2 to 3 drops of the bakuchiol oil, and I mix it with my hydrating moisturizer, this one right here, and apply it on my face and neck. I apply it daily because unlike retinol, it's not too harsh on your face, and it works really well. It performs really brilliantly. I have been using bakuchiol based products for almost a year now. A lot of Indian brands have come up with really nice formulation that have bakuchiol. If you have very sensitive skin and you are scared of traditional retinol, you can try bakuchiol. I have forgotten one product that I love so much. I'm just going to grab it and come back. Now this is one of the best products from Kures, and this is their lavender and keratin shampoo bar. As you can see, I have been using it quite a lot. This is quite a thick shampoo bar, but I have already used it for more than 10 to 12 times, and this is such a game changer. I have been using shampoo bars for more than 2 years now, and this one smells really nice, and it makes your hair so soft, so manageable. I'm not just saying this because this video is sponsored by Kures, but because this shampoo bar actually works. If you want to pick one product from Kures, it has to be this one, or the sunscreen, or the moisturizer, or the Zoro oil. But this one is brilliant. This is a brilliant product, and I have used so many shampoo bars, and most of them make hair really nice, but this one has made noticeable change in my hair. I do not really have to look hard for change in my hair. Whenever I wash my hair with this shampoo bar, my hair feels so soft. They look so soft, and they feel very voluminous, very thick and heavy, which makes me so happy, because my hair type is dry. They tend to look frizzy and like a huge mess, but with this shampoo bar, they look really beautiful. I use any conditioner that I have after using the shampoo bar, or I use any hair oil with this shampoo bar, and this performs equally well, which means this is a stunning product. This is a winner here. I'm definitely going to buy this one once I run out of this bar, and I think it will take me another 10 washes. So this is not only pocket friendly, this is not only an efficient product, but this is also environment friendly, because This is a zero waste product. The outer cover it comes in is of cardboard or paper, and this bar will dissolve. There will not be any wastage. Now I'm left with only one product, which is a lip roll-on. So this lip roll-on is perfect if you have pigmented lips, if you have chapped lips. I like to use it during the night. It has this roller ball, and 1 or 2 swipes is more than enough for your entire lips, and it just makes lips so nicely moisturized, and it smells really nice as well. So this has almond, rosehip and carrot seed oil. So this makes your lips soft and plump. It also reduces pigmentation. So yeah, those were the products that I have been really loving of late from Kures. If you are interested, you can check them out. I'm going to link all the products in the description box. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm doing much better now, and I will be back with more videos, more content in the coming months. And if you have any query related to the brand, or if you want to ask any question about the formulation, you can leave them in the comments below. I'm going to reply to each and every comment. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.